Good morning, y'all. We finally have spring. It's beautiful, it's sunny out, and I've decided that I want to get Mrs. Tragapon to do a trick. So let's see how it goes. Good morning, Kevin. How are you, handsome? You go for a walk? So I've really been hoping to get out here and catch Mr. Tragapon doing his handsome dance because the photographer in me is just dying to get a picture of it. The weather's been back and forth and the egg production up and down, and it's just been a pain, and honestly a natural spring, which is really, really nice. But today I'm gonna get out there and I want to see if I can get Mrs. Tragapon to come sit on my knee to eat strawberries. She's done it before on my arm where she's gotten like really, really close, but I'm thinking today I'm just gonna go in there, I'm gonna sit down, I've got my book on my ear, I got my plate of strawberries, and I'm just gonna hang out and see how much she wants her snack. 100% just walked right past her pen and tried to go into an empty one. Moment of panic there. Gotta stay focused. Okay. Hello, Mr. Tragapon. Always have to check and make sure she's not right here waiting to sneak by the gate. There you are. Hello. Hello, sweetheart. Okay, well, no, I don't have treats yet. Hold on, really? What are we doing there? That's my shoe. That's my shoe. What are you doing, sweet girl? As you can see, she gets really close, which is why I think that this might work. And never, ever would I force her. I know I could obviously catch her and make her eat strawberries out of my hand, but there's such gratification. Hey, that's my shoe! Mrs. Tragapon! There's such joy that comes when the animal trusts you. So let's see how this goes. I kind of wish I'd remember to bring something to sit on. And probably should have left the camera inside, but oh well. Live and learn, right? What are you doing? I have learned it's better to get them on their first treat of the day. They're much more willing to do things that they normally wouldn't. I'm just gonna sit here. Mr. Tragapon doesn't even want to come near me. Not worth the strawberry, handsome? Well, that was Kevin and Thelma. Sorry to intrude, guys. Goodness. You're so close. Strawberry all over me. Oh, whoops. Probably shouldn't have left the plate of strawberries where she could get them. Live and learn. Here we go. Hi, sweet girl. Let's look at your nose. Here, Thelma. Thelma, because you don't have the black on your nose. I'm learning. I feel a foot on my calf. There you go. Hello. Hello, sweetest girl. Oh. Yay. You make me very happy. Is that really a good strawberry? Yeah. I am one of those list people, and I'm also one of those people who make lists with items that I know I can cross off because it makes me feel really productive. But while I'm not always writing lists, I have learned to wake up with a goal for the day. And even if the goal is tiny, even if the goal is to take a nap, even if the goal is to take a nap, if I complete the goal, then hey, I had a restful day, and it's worth it, you know. And I feel like my day was what it was supposed to be. And today's goal, I just decided I wanted to find a smile, so I came out with the goal of befriending Mrs. Tragapon a little bit more, and I did it. Yay! And it's something so silly, having her trust me enough, but now anything else that I get done with my day is just going to be bonus, and I get to go to bed happy. Huh? You want some? Do you want some? Come here, Thelma. It's kind of weird with me in the cage and you out there. Yeah? There you go. Well, I guess that was quite an adventure, but it was, kisses. It was a success. I don't like kisses. I don't like kisses. You guys like and subscribe so you can make sure not to miss out on any videos. We'll see you later.